Hello and welcome. This is Chetna from coguide.com YouTube channel. I welcome you again to my another video on narration. So let's get started.
As I had discussed in my previous video, following changes may come when we transform a direct speech into indirect. Change of person, change of tense, and change of other parts of speech.
মোৰ previous video to মই direct or indirect narration কইলা person কেনেকৈ change হ'ব হেতু মই দেখাইছিলো যদি কোনোবাই এই ভিডিওটো চোৱা নাই তেন্তে ভিডিওটো লিংক মই ডেসক্ৰিপচন বক্সত দি দিম so that you can go and check it out. Now আজি মই ডিসকাস কৰিম direct or indirect narration লৈ ট্ৰান্সফৰ্ম কৰোতে tense or কেনেকৈ change হ'ব. So first of all মই ক'ব বিচাৰো যে যদি reporting verb simple present tense আৰু future tense থাকে তেতিয়ালে reported speech or tense or কোনো change নহয় ইয়াত মই দুটা एग्जांपल লৈছো first example to আমি দেখিছো he says মানে reporting verb to present tense ত আছে আৰু next example to আছে she will say that means reporting verb is in future tense so reporting verb যদি present tense or future tense থাকিব then reported direct or indirect quoted reported speech or tense or change নহয় so এই sentence টা মই indirect narration লৈ কনভার্ট কৰি দেখাইছো he says আছে গতিকে he says to me এই says ৰ পাছত এটা object আছে that's why says will convert it into tells he tells me that he goes to Assam গতিকে আমি দেখিলো reported speech or direct narration or reported speech to simple present tense আছে গতিকে আৰু ইয়াত আছে reporting verb to present tense থকাৰ কাৰণে আমি direct or indirect কৰোতে এই reported speech or tense change কৰা নাই simple present tense আমি simple present tense ৰাখিছো then আমি next example লৈ আহো she will say I am a singer ইয়াৰ reporting verb to future tense ত আছে গতিকে future tense থাকিলেও reported speech or tense or change নহয় গতিকে এই sentence টো হ'ব she will say that she is a singer so আমি দেখিলো direct narration I am a singer that means be verb is in present form be verb to present form আছে গতিকে আমি direct or indirect কৰোতেও be verb to আমি present tense ৰ ৰাখিছো I লগত ইয়াত am হৈছিল কাৰণ আমি সকলো জানো first person singular লগত be verb am হ'ব আৰু যেতিয়া এটো person change হৈ গল she আহিলে তেতিয়া she লগত be verb is হ'ব যদি reporting verb past tense ত থাকে তেন্তে reported speech or tense এই টেবুলখনত দিয়াৰ ধৰণে change হ'ব simple present tense will convert it into simple past present continuous will convert it into past continuous present perfect will become past perfect and present perfect continuous will convert it into past perfect continuous then again the same thing will happen with the past tense simple past will convert it into past perfect past continuous will transform into past perfect continuous past perfect no change of tense যদি past perfect tense থাকে reported speech ত তেতিয়ালে indirect কোতে এই past perfect tense টো কোনো ধৰণৰ change নহব ই same থাকিব then past perfect continuous no change of tense so এই দুটা tense past perfect আৰু past perfect continuous ৰ কোনো change নাহিব direct or indirect narration কৰিলে he said I go to Assam so this sentence I go to Assam is in simple present tense গতিকে এই টেন্স টু ৰিপোৰ্ট গতিকে আমি দেখিলো যে ৰিপোৰ্টিং ভাৰ্ব টু said আছে মানে প্ৰেজেন্ট past tense ত আছে গতিকে ৰিপোৰ্টিং ভাৰ্ব past ত থাকিলে ৰিপোৰ্টেড স্পীচ অৰ টেন্স এই টেবুলখনত দিয়াৰ ধৰণে চেঞ্জ হ'ব গতিকে আমি দেখিলো ৰিপোৰ্টেড স্পীচ টু সিম্পল প্ৰেজেন্ট টেন্স আছে গতিকে সিম্পল প্ৰেজেন্ট টেন্স উইল কনভাৰ্টেড ইনটু সিম্পল past গতিকে আমি সিম্পল past কৰি দিলে হৈ যাব ৰিপোৰ্টেড স্পীচ টু he আমি said লিখিম কাৰণ আমি আগতে পাই আহিছো যে ৰিপোৰ্টিং ভাৰ্বৰ পাছত যদি অবজেক্ট নাথাকে তেতিয়ালে said এ থাকিব says থাকিব একে থাকিব গতিকে আমি দেখিছো ইয়াত কোনো অবজেক্ট নাই গতিকে said আমি said এ ৰাখিছো he said that conjunction টো আমি আনি তাৰ পিছতে ইনভাৰ্টেড কমা গিলা উঠাই দিম he said that I টো এতিয়া ৰিপোৰ্টিং স্পীচৰ কি আছে ফাৰ্স্ট পাৰসন আছে গতিকে আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব ৰিপোৰ্টিং স্পীচৰ সাবজেক্ট অনুযায়ী চেঞ্জ কৰিব লাগিব ইয়াত he আছে গতিকে he said that I টো কি হ'ব he এতিয়া কি কৰিব লাগিব pronounলৈ চেঞ্জ হৈ গল ইমানখিনি আমি আগতে জানি আহিছিলো এতিয়া কি কৰিব লাগিব simple present tense ও simple past tense কৰিম গতিকে simple এই sentence টো I go to Assam simple past tense হলে কি হ'ব he went to Assam so this the tense in reported speech the simple present tense is converted into simple past tense he went to Assam. Next, ami aru duta example loisu. He said, Aman is taking my book. So, ami dekhisu Aman is taking my book. Reported speech to key tense present continuous tense. Aman is taking is plus main verb plus ing. Then, itu ami present continuous will converted into past continuous. Gotike reported speech of jetia simple present tense thakibo. Reported speech to ami indirect quote past continuous koribo lagibo. Gotike kenege hobo he said told নহব he said আৰু মই person change কৰোতে মই শিকাইছিলো যে যদি থাৰ্ড পাৰসন থাকে তেতিয়াহলে থাৰ্ড পাৰসন ডাইৰেক্টৰ পৰা ইনডাইৰেক্ট কৰোতে থাৰ্ড পাৰসনৰ কোনো চেঞ্জ নহয় গতিকে aman একে থাকিব he said that Aman is taking কি হ'ব past continuous কৰিলে was taking he said that Aman was taking my to his hobo his book so present continuous now converted into past continuous he said that Aman was taking his book then next example to he said to me you are doing well now we have seen that this sentence this reported speech is in also past present continuous tense so ami etu korile indirect korile kenke hobo he told hobo karon said or pasot me mane iya eta object ase he told me that etia ami dekhisu reported speech ot subject to second person ase gotike second person thakile reporting speech or object onukori change hobo gotike you to ki hobo I hobo he told me that you logot are hosle ke I logot ki hobo was I was doing well so you are doing well present continuous asile so ami direct or indirect koi dilu he told me that I was doing well so present continuous or past continuous ole convert hoibo tense now there are two examples he said I have done my work so we have seen that the reported speech is in present perfect tense then the present perfect tense will transform into past perfect he said that he present perfect to past perfect korim he had done his work he had done his work present perfect will convert it into past perfect so I have done my work now converted into past perfect I have done his work then again the reported speech is again in present perfect tense she told me that Seema is third person so there are no change will come with third person she told me that Seema had bought a car so narration change ho ba voice change ho etla koribole hole amak tense bilak clear lagibo ami tense bilak jani ko chini pabo lagibo simple present tense ki hoy simple past tense present continuous past continuous etc ei tense bilakor amar full knowledge lagibo then a sentence so he said I have been doing some work but here we lekhisu this reported speech or tense to I have been doing that means the tense in this reported speech is in present perfect continuous tense but here present perfect continuous to convert to jabo past perfect continuous tense she said that she past perfect continuous had ahibo she had been doing some work will convert it into past perfect tense. He said that he had written a letter to his brother. He had written a letter to his brother. So simple past tense to ami past perfect tense ole convert kori disu. Then moi example loisu eta past continuous tense or Rina was listening to music. So past continuous tense will convert it into past perfect continuous. He said that Rina had been listening to music. So past continuous now transform into past perfect continuous. Then he said, I had posted the letter. So that is so I had posted. That means the reported speech is in past perfect tense. So according to that table, past perfect, no change will come with the past perfect tense. He said that. So past perfect tense or কোনো change নহব গতিকে আমি এই tense to কোনো ধৰণৰ change কৰাৰ প্ৰয়োজন নাই. He said that এটো একেই থাকিব. He অকল খালি pronoun change হ'ব. I to he হ'ব. He had posted the letter. Then next example, she said, I had been doing my work. So in this sentence, the reported speech is in past perfect continuous tense. That means subject plus had plus been plus main verb plus ing. That's why it is the reported speech is in past perfect continuous tense. So past perfect continuous tense or logoto kuno dhoroner change nahe. So that tense ekei thakibo. She said that I first person ase gotike ami reporting speech or subject onukori change kori. She said that I to ki hobo she hobo. She said that she had been doing my to her hobo. She had been doing her work. Again, look at this table. Shall will convert it into should and would. Can will convert it into could. May will become might. Am is are will become was were. Has have will convert it into had. Was were will convert it into had been. Should, could, would, might generally doesn't change. গতিকে এই ৰিপৰ্টেড স্পীচত যদি সেল উইল থাকে তেতিয়ালে আমি ডাইৰেক্টৰ পৰা ইনডাইৰেক্ট কৰোতে সেল উইল আমি কনভাৰ্ট কৰি দিম according to the subject. So মই ইয়াত কেইটামান এক্সাম্পল লৈছো. He said, I shall do my work. So shall will converted into should আৰু would. গতিকে আমি এটো কেনেকৈ কৰিম? He said, first person ase gotike first person reporting speech or subject onuri change hobo. I to he hobo. He said that he etia I logot shall hoisile kintu ami he logot ami shall bohabo noaru. He to third person singular, that's why ami he logot will boham. Kintu ami dekhisu je reporting verb to past ase gotike will noboha and ki boham would boham. He said that he would do my to his hobo his work. Again, there are some other example. He said Ria has a beautiful dress. Here reported speech has shown the possession. Yat koise je Riar এজোৰ ধুনিয়া dress ase. Riar ase. So has ase. So has have will convert it into had. So আমি to had কৰি দিলে হৈ যাব. He said that Ria, third person আছে ওটা third person আর কোনো চেঞ্জ নহয়. Ria had a beautiful dress. So has to কি হৈ যাব? Had লৈ convert হৈ যাব. Ria had a beautiful dress. Now I am coming to the second example. She said to me, I was a queen. So look at this sentence carefully. When there will be was and where in the reported speech, then that was where will be converted into had been in indirect narration. So আমি এই sentence to কেনেকৈ কৰিম? She told লিখিম কাৰণ reporting verb ৰ পাছত object আছে. She told me that I to she hobo. She told me that she had been a queen. Was where convert হৈ গ'ল had been only. Now I am coming to the last example. He said you should obey your parents. So should udar কোনো change nahibo. He said that you I hobo. He said that I should obey my parents. I'm concluding my video here today. If you like it, then please do like it, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, then you can comment in the comment box.